Stop cutting down our favorite tree right now. Please don't destroy our giant oak tree today. Somebody help us stop this. That tree has been here for 100 years in our quiet yard.
Watch out for the falling branches. Look at all the beautiful green leaves falling onto the ground. You cannot hurt my pirate ship tree. This is the best climbing tree in the whole neighborhood.
Please do not cut it down. I love playing pirate adventures under these big green branches every day.
Leo, get away from there right now. It is way too dangerous to stand near that tree.
I have got you, buddy. You are safe now. Stand back behind the wooden garden fence immediately.
Look at that giant branch falling down. We need to keep a safe distance right this second.
I know you are all angry with me right now, but please stay back from this yard. I am doing what has to be done today. Please keep your children far away from here.
How could you do this to our family tree, Mr. Carter? You had no right at all.
This tree is the very heart of our neighborhood. Everyone loves sitting beneath its shady green branches.
Remember all the fun summer days we spent building tree houses and playing games together right here?
Every weekend, our neighbors gathered in this cool shade to share delicious food and happy moments.
Dozens of sweet birds build their nests in these high branches every spring season without fail.
What on earth is happening out here? Why is Mr. Carter cutting down our favorite tree? Oh my goodness! That huge branch almost crushed the children's favorite wooden swing on the lawn. Stop right now, Mr. Carter. You do not have permission to destroy this beautiful community tree.
I am recording everything on video right now. We are going to call the city police department.
You are going to pay for this destruction. We will definitely sue you for damaging this yard.
I understand your anger, but I cannot stop this work until the area is completely cleared.
Just look up at those upper branches up high. Please listen to me and step far back.
Something is wrong inside this wood. Everyone needs to back away from the trunk right now. Hear that loud cracking sound right now? The whole tree's structural balance is shifting fast today.
Everybody run away right now. Move back immediately before this giant tree falls onto the ground.
2 days ago, everything was quiet and peaceful in our sunny backyard under the big oak.
Catch me if you can, Leo. The giant pirate tree is our safe castle home today. I am the captain of this big tree ship. Nobody can ever beat our pirate crew.
Look how warm and bright the sunlight shines through all these lovely green oak leaves today.
I am writing a story about our special tree so we remember every summer memory forever. Here is fresh bird seed for all the little birds that visit our green yard every morning. This tree is stronger than any building in town. It will stay here forever and ever.
Look at those dark clouds coming over the hills. A big thunderstorm is coming tonight, kids.
Time to come inside for dinner, children. The sky is turning gray and windy right now.
Hear the loud thunder rumbling outside tonight. The storm is bringing heavy rain and strong wind.
A sudden flash of lightning hit right near the top branches of our high oak tree.
That lightning strike was so close and loud. I hope our big tree stays safe tonight.
Good morning, everyone. The sun is shining brightly again after that big stormy night passed by.
Look, the tree seems perfectly fine today. Only a few tiny twigs fell onto the grass.
Yay! The rain stopped! I am going straight back to play under my favorite pirate tree.
Come on, boy. Let us enjoy a nice morning walk through our lovely new neighborhood today. Wait a second. Something does not look right with the upper angle of that giant oak. Look at these tiny cracks appearing near the base bark. That is a very dangerous sign. These large main branches are leaning way too far toward the Parker family backyard swing set.
That deep, hollow sound means the internal core of this tree is completely split inside today.
If those heavy top limbs collapse without warning, they will crush everything sitting right beneath them. I must call the city emergency tree department right this minute to report this danger. Hello, City Arborist office? We have an emergency split tree situation on Willow Street right now.
What do you mean your crew cannot come until tomorrow afternoon? This is an urgent risk. Tomorrow afternoon will be much too late. Children play under this dangerous tree every single day. Oh no, the annual community picnic is scheduled to happen right under this tree today. Dozens of kids will be running around right here. I cannot risk waiting another single hour. People might get furious with me, but keeping these young children safe is my top duty.
I need my orange safety helmet, heavy work gloves, and chainsaw to start cutting immediately.
I must start taking down these heavy top branches before anyone wakes up and gathers here.
Time to work fast and carefully. Every second counts when a tree is hollow inside.
The early morning sun is coming up. I have to guide this trunk down safely. Wood chips are flying everywhere. This inner trunk layer is far weaker than it looks outside. That loud noise is waking up the whole street early today, but I cannot stop now.
Hey! What are you doing with that loud chainsaw near our favorite oak tree, Mr. Carter?
Please stop this right now. You cannot just cut down trees without asking us.
I am so sorry, Daniel. Please just take your family back toward the main house right now.
The final cut is almost finished. Everyone stay back away from the landing area right now.
The inner core is giving away right now. The whole tree is about to fall down.
Get back immediately! Run to the porch right now before it is too late!
Jump back, Leo! Quick, run toward the house porch right this second with your sister!
Look out below! The giant oak tree is crashing down onto the empty grass lawn today.
It crashed right on the exact spot where Leo was standing just moments ago today.
Everything is quiet now. Look at all the thick dust floating in the bright sunlight.
Is everyone safe? Thank goodness nobody was standing under that giant falling trunk today.
Look inside the broken trunk. The whole inner wood is completely black, burnt, and hollow.
Look, the official City Arborist truck has finally arrived at our neighborhood house right now.
Hello, everyone. I am Arborist Olivia Chen. Let me inspect this fallen tree right away.
This tree was completely hollowed out by lightning inside. It could have fallen at any minute.
Mr. Carter made a very brave decision today. His quick action prevented a terrible accident.
You were not trying to ruin our favorite tree at all. You saved my little brother.
I am so sorry for shouting at you earlier, Mr. Carter. Thank you for saving Leo.
Thank you, Mr. Carter. You are a true hero in our neighborhood community today.
Look at everyone coming together today to plant 10 young oak trees in our community park.
We are going to name this first little sapling Hope Tree, so it grows tall.
Hope Tree will protect future generations of children and birds for another 100 years to come.